Close your eyes for a moment. Think about your favorite food. Maybe it is something your mother used to make. Maybe it is something you eat every morning. Maybe it is something you only eat on special days. And when you eat it, something inside you feels like home. Food is not just food, food is memory. Food is love. Food is where we come from. Today, you learn to talk about that in English slowly with all the feeling it deserves. Hello and welcome back to Soft English. This is video 8 and today we talk about food. I think food is one of the most beautiful topics in any language because everyone eats, everyone has a favorite, everyone has a food that makes them feel safe and warm. And when you can talk about food in English, you can connect with anyone, anywhere in the world, at a dinner table, at a restaurant, at a friend's house. Food brings people together, and today English will help you join that conversation. Let us start with the most natural question. What is your favorite food? And the answer, my favorite food is rice. My favorite food is bread. My favorite food is fish curry. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite food is fruit salad. Say it now. My favorite food is good. Now, how does it taste? This is where English becomes beautiful. We have many words for taste: sweet, spicy, salty, sour, bitter, creamy, crunchy, soft, rich, fresh. Say them slowly with me. Sweet, spicy, salty, sour, bitter. Now put them together. It tastes it tastes sweet. It tastes spicy. It tastes a little sour but very good. Describe your favorite food. My favorite food is, and it tastes. Can you taste it right now? Just from the words. Now, two sentences that show your personality. I love eating. I love eating rice with fish. I love eating fresh vegetables. I love eating something warm in the morning. I love eating fruit when it is very hot outside. I love eating. This is stronger than I like. It means food makes you happy. It means eating is a joy, not just a need. Say it, I love eating. Now the opposite. And this one is also important to know. I do not like I do not like very bitter food. I do not like cold rice. I do not like eating alone. That last one. I do not like eating alone. Maybe some of you feel that too. Food is better with people. A simple meal becomes a memory when you share it. Say your honest sentence. I do not like honesty in language. That is real fluency. Now, two very useful sentences for real life. The first one, at a restaurant, at a cafe, at a friend's house. Can I have can I have some tea, please? Can I have the rice dish? Can I have a glass of water? Simple, polite, confident. Can I have these three words will take you very far in any English speaking place. Say it. Can I have, please? And finally, something wonderful to say after you eat. This is delicious. This is delicious. When someone cooks for you and you say, this is delicious, watch their face change. Watch them smile because food made with love deserves words of love. You can also say, this is really good. This is wonderful. I love this. But this is delicious. That one has a special warmth. Use it often. Now, let us put it all together. Is a small food conversation. Listen first. My favorite food is hilsa fish with rice. It tastes rich and a little salty, perfectly cooked. I love eating it on rainy days with my family around the table. I do not like eating it cold. It must be hot. And every time I eat it, I think of home. Now, your turn. Tell me about your favorite food. Use everything we learned today. Start with, my favorite food is. Did you say it? You just described something deeply personal in English. That is not a small thing. That is your culture, your memory, your love carried in a new language. Before you go, your homework today is the most delicious one yet. Write in the comments your favorite food and how it tastes. Just two sentences. My favorite food is, it tastes. I want to read about food from every country, from every home, from every family table because that is what this channel is, a table where everyone is welcome. Next week, we have something very special, a short story in slow English, a story about one person, one dream, and one small step forward. I think you will feel it deeply. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for bringing your favorite food, your memory into this space. I will see you next week. Take care of yourself and go slowly always.